we're doing today sweet and sour chicken, and we do it from the scratch. So that's everything, not from the jar. So it's a lot of ingredients just for the sauce. I got a recipe here from a book I bought when I was, I think, 12 years old. So yeah, I was very young. Yep, that's how old it is. It's a roughly, I would say, over 40 years old. I just make some photos. I have the book in the storage. They told me how to pronounce it. Paul told me.
And what is the pronunciation?
Worcester sauce?
Worcester?
Worcester sauce?
I've got that, yes.
No.
No. How you pronounce it? Worcester sauce? Worcester.
Hey, Jeanette.
Hey.
How are you going?
Good, hello.
We just met them. Yeah, our neighbors here in the caravan park, and
in the zone.
yeah, in the zone as well. Yeah, the zone Peregrine. Yeah, and Simon and Jeanette. They're cooking today.
That's all the ingredients we need.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
I'll go get my supply.
But we're not using pork, we're using
Chicken.
chicken.
Beautiful.
I'm sneaking through the window here. Look what I do.
Is that all right?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Can it just touch bigger?
Bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like that? Yeah? That one?
Yeah, that's okay.
Is it or not? I don't
It's
know.
just to get in the mouth, that's just not like this.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
I think they call it cut it in cubes. You look good here. It's a good view from up here though. And Daddy's watching. He hopes he gets something.
Garlic, onions. This. So we are back on our cooking. So what we done so far? We made the sauce. We put all our ingredients in this pot. So you can see it's thickening up. So it's nearly finished. We just get pineapple. What we got here, we cut them already. We lift them under, and then we turn the heat off, and then we set it by side, and then we start with the meat. We marinate the meat with some cornstarch, and we deep fry them. First up at 190 degrees for a minute. We take them out and we just let them dry on a paper towel, and then we go back and fry the second time. While we reduce the heat of that.
It's the sauce.
That's the sauce.
It doesn't even just smell beautiful. It tastes. Have you tried? Have you tried it?
I'm starting to know.
Come on, you have to try it. You have to try it. Come on.
Pull it down a bit.
And you're the cook, hey? I'll send you the recipe. Don't cry.
Beautiful. It's so lovely.
I know.
It's the nicest. It's the nicest recipe I've ever had.
My wife taught me all the time, when I cook this, I cook it better than every Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, that tastes better than the one that you
It
get.
is 10 times better.
Yeah.
It's got more flavour.
Because it's made from scratch.
Made from the heart.
He's cooking.
Not
Yes,
only
he's cooking with the heart.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. So here they are, Jeanette and Simon.
Yeah, mine.
Cooking.
No, this one here. I don't want to mess with my.
Oh.
I need more. When I tell you, I need more.
Oh, well,
Yeah, yeah.
he hasn't told me.
I tell you now.
Please.
Please.
This is so funny to watch you both.
Because it's stuck
The cook and his apprentice.
Roll up
I
done.
think that's
That's it. It's all in.
I think that will be enough.
Yep.
Sticky fingers.
Sticky fingers.
That's later.
That's the
Yep.
So now
Alrighty.
this stage is stage 1, and then it goes in a second
I
time.
can do it.
So. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Whatever you say. Cheers.
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 Great time, mate. That was
So,
great time.
Oh, look at that.
Absolutely.
so we got the chicken here, first time fried. And what you got here, you see that's the sauce. I just turn off the fry pan. And look at them.
You're onto it already.
Yeah.
Cheers.
What we call it? This
The hooded woman.
Hooded.
hooded woman.
That's what it's called. That's on the bottle. Hooded woman.
What are you laughing for? You want to have a whiskey, huh? Yes.
No, you go get your drink.
So, second time frying it.
For dinner? No, what's for dinner?
I don't know what's tomorrow.
You
Tomorrow's
have to
take.
beat this.
I give you a recipe. You can cook it by yourself.
I have to translate this one for you, I guess, and I send it to you. Yeah.
That's so funny.
Right?
Hey,
You're going to translate it yourself in German.
are you talking about your wife or? No, I translated in English to her for her. Yeah, yeah. I sent you the English version. This is Paul. This is Stan. Yes. Hello. And these are our cooks.
Chef. No, don't call chefs.
They're not chefs. They want to be. Wannabes.
Thank you. Very good. G'day.
Good day.
Yeah, you going, mate? All right.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Because I cut it up. No, it's a capsicum because I cut the capsicum.
How was it with the high five?
Oh yeah.
Good.
And we had the best time here. So good.